Okay, sorry, Carol. We are doing for December 2021. That's going to be question 3. It says, the data below shows the monthly income of 200 households in City Z. So you are given the number of households and then the monthly income. So we are going to have the monthly income. It's going to be, then we have the frequency. I want that just, let's have the midpoint, which is going to be X, and then we are going to have the frequency. So the monthly, this is going to be 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100, 110, 110, 120, 120, 130, and then 130 to 140. Now, let's just get the frequency first. The frequency here we have 10, 12, 8, 20, 21, 24, 24, 30, 36.
That's right.
30,
That's 6,
35,
25,
25, then 9. Now let's get the midpoint, whereby we take this one plus this divide by 2, which is 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 120 what? We all get together. Then we get the fx. Fx by multiplying. This is for 50. The second one. $660. The next one.
520. 20.
20.
1500.
1500.
1785.
1785.
2280.
22.
80. 3780.
Okay.
4025.
4025.
3125.
30.
125.
25.
1215.
12.
15.
Then we add this one and this. This one is 200.
Yes.
Add this.
19,340.
19,
340.
140. Then after that,
19,340. 340.
yours is 140. Yours is. Okay. Then we calculate for the mean, which is going to be summation of xy over, that's going to be 19,340 divided by 200.
$96.7.
96.7. Okay. Any question there? Any question? I said this is a simple one whereby you must get a midpoint. To take the midpoint, you divide over the frequency. Then you get the product. We add the product, column of the product, and column of the frequency. Then we take the summation of the product divided by the summation of frequency. Question there? Now, the next one, let's look at the weighted arithmetic means. Arithmetic mean. Weighted arithmetic mean. Now, when we talk about the weighted arithmetic means, now, in this case, we are talking about a situation where we have the different items, and this particular different items, you don't have the those particular values which we call them the necessary. Then we can get the weight of those particular items together. Then we divide by the weight. So we continue. When arithmetic means is calculated, when the arithmetic means is calculated, the equal importance is given to all the items of the series. The equal importance is given to all the items of the series. The equal importance is given to all the items of the series. But it's not necessary, that all the items have the same relative degree. Have the same relative degree of importance. If the relative importance of different items is different, if the relative importance of different items is different, then the weights are assigned. Then the weights are assigned to the various items. Assigned to the various items in view of their importance. The weighted means the average. Which is calculated by making use of the weights. Therefore, the weighted arithmetic means the weighted arithmetic means will be equals to XW over W. Weighted arithmetic means will be equals to that. Where W summation of this summation of W, sorry. That one is the sum of the weights. This one is the sum of the weight. The downwards. Then this one is the sum of the product. The sum of the product of the items. The sum of the product of the items and their corresponding weights. Let's look at the that's right. The weighted arithmetic means. The weighted arithmetic means is useful in the following circumstance. In the following circumstance, one, when the various items of a series are not equally important. When the various items of a series are not of equal importance.
The various items of series are not of equal importance.
Okay, number 2. Number 1 hujaandika vizuri. Number 2, when ratios, percentage or rates are being averaged. Three, when it is required to calculate the average of a series from the average of its component parts. From the average of its component parts. Another one, when the proportion of the values or the items change, or the proportion of their frequency change. Another one, when or the proportion of their frequency change. Another one, when the classes of the same group, shows a considerable variation in frequency. Now we can look at the example. You write the example. The following table indicates the increase of cost of living. Increase of cost of living for a working class over a period of 3 years. For a working class over a period of 3 years. And the weights assigned to various groups. So we have the group percentage increase and then weights. Food, rent, clothing, fuel, lightning. We have other items. Now, we have 25, 54, 29, sorry. Then you have 54, 97.5, 75, 75, 7.5, 2.0, 1.5, 1.0, 0.5. Require, calculate the weighted arithmetic means. Calculate the weighted arithmetic means of the increase in the cost of living. So you must first know what the weighted arithmetic means. Is equals to WX over W summation W. So this means that we are going to add this. And then we take this times this times this. This is going to be our X. Then we get WX. So the first one, the first one,
choose 17.
17.5.
To 17.
One. 108 point. 108.
Yes.
Point 40.
6.
75. And then 30. 35, 30.
7.5.
37.5. Then we add is it 12.5, the first one?
Yes.
Five. Then you say the weighted average and weighted arithmetic mean should be equals to 584.25 divided by 12.5.
46.74.
Okay. Now, we are going to look at the advantages of arithmetic means. Advantages of arithmetic means. One, it can be easily understood. can be easily understood. So it takes into account all the items of the series. It takes into account all the items of the series. The next one, it is capable of algebraic treatment. Another one, it's a good method of comparison. Another one, it is used very frequently. Very frequently. Now, we are going to look at the disadvantages of arithmetic means. Disadvantages of arithmetic means. One, it may be a figure which does not exist in a series. It may be a figure which does not exist in a series. Another, it cannot be used in case of qualitative. In case of qualitative, data. In case of qualitative data, another one, it is affected by extreme values to a great extent. Now, let's continue now by looking at the next one, which is going to be the median. Let's look at the median. Huh? Hmm? 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Give you a break for some minutes. Value of the middle item of a series when these items are arranged, in ascending or descending order. In ascending or descending order. Now the formula for finding median item is, n plus 1 divided by 2. That is n plus 1 divided by 2, where n is the number of items, n is the number of items. So let's start by looking at the computation of median from individual series. Computation of median from individual series. From individual series. So let's look at the example. In a factory, there is 5 workers. in a factory, there is 5 workers whose age are 20, 15, 19, 21, and 17 years. Find the median age. Find the median age. Now, when you're told to find the median age and you're given the data like that, so the first step, we arrange this particular data in ascending order or descending order. That's your first step. So you say first arrange the data in ascending order. In ascending order. So this is going to be this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the ages, that's age. We start with the lowest, 17, 15, 17, 19, 20, and then 21. Now, in this case, now we want to get the midpoint, the value which appear in the middle of this particular data. We are together. So what we do, we say that the ith item will be equals to, now we check this particular item. Is it an odd number or an even number? It's odd number. So we are going to say that the median will be equals to n plus 1 divided by 2. We add 1. We are together? Items, that's going to give us 5 plus 1 divided by what? 2. It's going to be the third items. We are together? It's going to be the third items. If it's an odd number, we are going to add 1. We are together? So, what's the third item? The third item is going to be 3. This is going to be that. So the median will be equals to what? 19. Sijui kama tuko sawa. Sijui kama tuko sawa. Is it an even number? An even, okay. Remember, an even number you can divide direct, because how? But now let's just get that one first before we go to even number. Is that okay? That is odd number. That is an odd number. Because how? Are you together? We want to go to the even number. Now you go to even number, you write even number. When the data is an even number, when the data is an even number, then you apply 1/2. 1/2. Then open the bracket. n/2 item plus, I get the point, plus n plus 2. N plus 2 divided by 2 item. Then you close. That is the formula which you are going to apply. We are going to find these items and also these items separated. What's up?
The last time.
This n item,
No, that one.
this one is item n plus 2 divided by 2. Get that item, that what is that value in the series? We are together. So that is the formula we are going to use. Now let's look at the example for you to get how do we get it. You write example. The marks of 6 students in a class, the marks of 6 students in a class are 80, 70, 75, 85, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60, and 80. Find the median. Find the median. Now the first step is only we are going to arrange them. So we are talking about the marks. So we have number of students, Then we have marks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. The marks, the lowest is 60. We go to 70, 75, 80, 85. So in this case, we are going to use the formula for us to say that median will be equal to 1 over 2 into bracket n over 2 item plus n plus 2 over 2 item. We are together? Now that's going to be equals to 1 over 2 into bracket. What is n? N is 6. So we take 6 over 2 items plus n is 6 plus 2 over 2 items. So this divided by 2 is what? So that's going to be 1 over 2 into bracket, this divided by 2, the third, plus this divided by 2, fourth. We are together. The third and the fourth. So that will be equals to 1 over 2 into bracket. The third is what? 75. So you write here 75. Plus the fourth is what? 80. Then this plus this divided by 2, that's going to be our median. Did you come out to Kosawa? The other person is not seeing, so I think that's okay. So it's just going to be 1 over 2 into bracket, the third plus the fourth. So the third I said, we have to change some. We are together, Caroline?
Yes.
Now, this plus this divided by 2 is going to give us
7.
70? 77.5. Question there? Now let's go to the second one, which is the discrete series. discrete series. Discrete series. Now, just say in a discrete series, the items. In a discrete series, the items are first arranged in ascending or descending order. Are first arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude. Of magnitude and their corresponding frequency. And their corresponding frequency are written against them. The frequency are accumulated. Frequency are accumulated. And then the value of the midpoint is located. Okay, let's continue by finding out example. Just write the example. The following data relates to the size of shoes. The following data relates to the size of shoes sold at a store. Sold at a store during a given week. During a given week. Find the median size. Find the median size. So we have size of shoes. Then we have number of pairs. And then we start with (4.5), 5.0, 5.5, 6.0, 6.5, 7.0, 7.5, 8.0, 8.5, 9.0, 10.5, 10.0, 11, sorry. Then 11.5. Now, the number of pairs, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 5, 15, 30. 5, 15, 30. 60, 95. 60, 95. 95. This is not 5. 82, 75. 82, 75. 44, 25. 4, 5, 5, 5. Jamani imeruka? Huh? 60. Sorry, 82. 82, 75. Yeah, 82, 75. Oh, nimeruka hapa. This is going to be 9.5, 10, 10.5, 11. So 25, then 15, 4. Now, after that, our next step, it's already arranged in our ascending order. So what we are going to do, we want to get the cumulative frequency. So let's find out, so let's arrange this one downwards. So we have the size of shoes. Then you have number of pairs. Then you are going to have cumulative frequency. That is what you are going to do. Now, this is going to be 4.5, 5.0, 5.5, 6.0, 6.5, 7.0, 7.5, 8.0, 8.5, 9.0, 10, 9.5, 10.0, then it's going to be 10.5, 11.0. So this is going to be 1, 2, 4, 5, 15, 30, 60, 95, 82, 75, 44, 25, 15, and 4. Cumulative 1, this plus this, 3, this plus this, 7. Here together. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 15, 27, 27 plus 30, 57, 57 times 60, 170, 117, 117 plus 95, 2, to 12, to 12 plus 82, 94, 294, 294, 294 plus 75, 369, 369 plus 44, 413, 413 plus 25, 438, 438 plus 15, 453, 453 plus 5, 457, 450, 457, yeah, together. Now, after that, our next step, we want to find out the mean. So how do we get the mean? What is this one? Is it an even number or an odd number? It's an odd number. So what do you do? Say that the ith items will be equals to n plus 1 divided by what? 2. And that's going to be equals to 457 plus 1 divided by 2. It's going to give us what? 229. Is it 229? 229. 229. So the 229 is falling where? You follow me? 229 is here. What's up? So it's going to be 8.5. So the median is it's going to be 8.5. What's our? Are you getting the point? What's our? So, four 57, yeah.
Given you calculate the
The one they did. Let's meet tomorrow.